Today we have given a deputation to the state chief election commissioners, and we have submitted memorandum. As you all know, in ADC always it is deprived. Not only this time, since long, for the last 40 years, ADC was neglected. ADC people are deprived. This is all well known. And especially we request today that since we have already heard that July and within the August, Panchayat election we is going to help. By hearing that, we also approach today. Since ADC village committee is pending for the last 2 years, more than 2 years, and it is not happening election. What is the reason behind? And also from Motha party, we have filed a case also in High Court. And High Court also have given a verdict that election should be held, BC election should be held immediately. We asked the reason why it is pending for the last 2 years. And also he mentioned there are 2 seats, ADC, MDC, Member of District Council seat also vacant for the last 1 year and more. One is Kulai Champahawar and Manai Pulenpur. These are pending for the last 1 year. And it is the part of the deprivation, and our people are very much anxiety, very much feel deprivation. And also we ask why it is pending for 2 years. Assembly election is done within 1 or 2 months. As we have mentioned the last assembly election also. And it is pending for the last 2 years. And they try to argue, they try to mention that seeing ADC have no any rule, there is no duty bound that by-elections should be conducted within 6 months. There is no rule in ADC. They have given this feedback like that. But only mention as soon as possible, by-elections should be conducted. As soon as visible, this word is mentioned. That means there is no mention any date. 6 months, 1 month, they don't mention like that. But the word is mentioned that as soon as possible mean you have to do very earliest. So this also kind of the thing, but he argued that because state ADC election is fully controlled and managed by state government, and assembly and parliament is controlled by central government. So there is a difference. So it is, we have only understood the state government negligence. State government is not very serious. So this thing we have put up our memorandum today. And let us watch and see. They say they are trying their best. Even governor also called them. The election commission he mentioned. Even governor also called them to do the as soon as possible BC election. So today I think of course we have given a good response. The 2 officers sitting there, they have given a very good response. They are very cooperative. And let us see and wait. That we request also, since Panchayat election is going to held in the month of July and August, why not we can collapse BC election together? Otherwise, again, it will take time. No? Every year, every month, there is election will take place. So why not do together? It will be good for everybody. The BC election, Panchayat plus by-election. These 3 elections can be collapsed together and can be performed. But they say, let us see, let us discuss. They say they will discuss with the authority. They are also in favor of our argument. Yes, it is good if we can go together. It will be good for the people and for the state. So this is our today we have discussion with the election commissioner. Let us see. Let us watch and see.